and welcome back to the channel Tech It Simple. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to disable notifications on Bumble. Now, let's begin. Right here's the Bumble application. I had already installed it and logged in. I'm simply going to click on it. Then, as you can see, right here is Bumble. Let's simply go to Profile. The button's right here at the bottom left, and here is my profile. Let's go to Settings right here. There are lots of notifications that you can turn on or turn off. Click on any one of them, and this will pop up. Well, as you can see, the notifications are now enabled. In case you want to disable them, toggle off this button, and there you go. Let's try for others. I'm going to disable these notifications as well. And guys, that's it. That's how you like this. Do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe.